There are places you visit and places that recalibrate you.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Mirbeau isn't loud about what it is. It doesn't need to be. Tucked into the Plymouth landscape in Massachusetts, it feels less like a hotel and more like a private estate you were invited into. There's something almost European about it, not in theme, in restraint. The way the building sits, the way the gardens soften the architecture, the way silence feels curated.
Thank you. Hi there. Did you get your glass of Prosecco? And then if you could just sign
No.
here.
Would you like a
Just
glass of
over on
Prosecco?
smoking hall.
Or mineral water, whichever. Two glasses of Prosecco?
10 to 8 a.m.
I just need an ID also, sir. Mr. Ancio. Anciano, sorry. Sorry.
That's
Anciano. Yeah, now that I'm looking at it. I'm better now that I'm looking at it. There you go. 2 glasses of Prosecco. Thank you.
Yes. All of our guest rooms, we have a gas fireplace with a timer on the wall. Oh, okay. If you want to go down there now, if you'd like to go down here right now.
Gonna get the make, model, and color on the reservation. I just need your signature, sir. And our quiet hours run from 10 p.m. till 8 a.m. the next morning. Okay. To get to your room, you're gonna go down this hall. And there's like a patio, a glass patio door through it. Under an enclosed area that's a little it's outdoors, but it's enclosed. I walk through to the other building, the guest house. When you get to the other, it's like a short 10-foot walk. It's nothing that drastic. It's really quick. When you get to the other building, you're gonna get on the elevator, which is on the immediate left over there. Go up 1 floor, find your room. The room number is on the key. It's 233 right here. When you get up there, there's gonna be a fireplace in your room. There'll be a switch plate on the wall. If you'd like to turn it on, just hit the amount of time that you want to turn the fireplace on for. There's 3 different choices. Okay. Tonight between 6 and 8, housekeeping will come to do a turn down for you, and they'll serve. They'll put chocolate on the sides of the bed for you. Tomorrow morning, if you'd like to have coffee in our living room over here, it's served between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. Okay? If you need anything at all while you're here at night, just give the front desk a call and we can get it for you. Okay. Do you want any help with your baggage? Your luggage going upstairs? You're all set?
Trying to sign up for the yoga tomorrow.
Okay, I would go down to the spa. 2 seconds here.
So I wanted to
Classes go up really quick.
the room rate.
So you go down this hall, you can take the elevator to the S floor from your building, or you can go down right now. There's the elevator. Okay, so go down from the grand staircase at the bottom of the staircase. So the staircase is going to be, the spa's going to be right in front of you.
Okay.
So
that's where the facials and
the yoga classes are going to be when you get off the bottom of the stairs right there. If you look to the right, you'll see the workout room and the yoga room is there also. Okay.
because we have a facial at 8 o'clock.
Okay.
That's
Do you know which
where it
period?
is, right?
Yes. Do you know which class, yoga class you want to go to?
It's a 9 o'clock one.
I would definitely probably go through there tonight then.
Yeah.
What about dining? Do you have reservations with us?
I've booked it actually very early.
Okay,
Early one. 5:45 before our facial.
What else? The outdoor pool is open? Yes, that's downstairs. Okay, so it's the whirlpool.
Okay.
Yes, gotcha. That's it. Yeah, very nice. Thank you.
If you want to reserve downstairs for the yoga class, you want to do that first while Daddy waits here. There's a fireplace here and a fireplace there. And that's the bistro. Oh, that's the chair I want. Leash. What? Ooh, fancy bedroom. We have a fireplace. And this is our view. Golf course. Two beds. The rooms continue the narrative. Neutral palettes, Deep soaking
Robes
tubs,
with
plush bedding that
slippers.
feels substantial, not decorative.
And
I
there's the
always look at
light in the
hotels through
bathroom,
a residential
the
lens. Would I
ensuite,
live here? And the answer is
double
yes,
vanity,
because nothing feels
and a
staged. It
clock
feels
tub
inhabitable.
in the shower.
Inside, it's layered, not minimal, not maximal, but minimalist, like layered. Textiles that absorb light, fireplaces that anchor rooms, art that doesn't scream for attention. This is the kind of interior that feels collected, not installed. And that distinction matters. It's warm without being rustic, refined without being cold. The lighting is soft, almost golden in the evenings, like it understands that
Snacks here.
relaxation is visual before it's physical. This
Order
is what I call
breakfast.
intentional
There's
atmosphere.
water.
Look, Sam,
Seeds. You can plant. I don't know what it is. I cannot read it yet. Hi. How are you? We wanna reserve for the yoga tomorrow. Yoga. Yeah.
Strength, balance, and core.
Yes.
Not yoga, but
at the center of Mirbeau
Pilates.
is the spa, and this is where the architecture shifts from aesthetic to experiential.
The 9 o'clock. Okay. But it's not yeah, that's all right.
so the nine. Sorry. Yeah, I'm just gonna put one weekend twice. Okay, try it. First name?
Samantha. Just put it under her.
61. So you're gonna get two emails. 11 o'clock yoga.
Have you all been here before? Yeah. Well, welcome back. Team room. There is eucalyptus in there. Here is the resting area.
That's where the
Oh, okay.
Yeah, everything's through this way.
Okay, gotcha.
that's our room over there.
And that's our room. It is Graham. Oh, where did he go? Hiding. Huh? And it's freezing cold. I'm gonna brave this.
The hydrotherapy pool feels enveloping. Steam rises slowly, stone reflects water. It's not just about treatments, it's about rhythm. Hot, cold, rest, repeat. There's something almost ritualistic about the layout. Movement is choreographed. And when design begins to guide behavior quietly, you know it's working. This isn't indulgence, it's restoration. The rooms feel residential, and that's a compliment. Neutral palettes, deep soaking tubs, bedding that feels architectural, structured, substantial. Whenever I stay somewhere, I ask, would I design this for a home? Here, the answer is yes, because it's not overdone, it's not underdone, it's calibrated. Minimalism again, present, but quiet. Room rates generally range from the mid 300s to 600 and above, depending on season. Spa day passes are available, which means you can enter the rhythm without committing to the full narrative. The bistro at Mirbeau doesn't announce itself loudly, it unfolds. The lighting is honeyed in the late afternoon, warming tabletops, softening edges. Tables are spaced with quiet confidence. You're never brushing past someone's chair. Materiality leans classic: dark woods, muted upholstery, brushed metal, catching light without demanding it.
Might as well get Monet's last word.
The restaurant carries the same sensibility: seasonal menus, thoughtful plating, no unnecessary theatrics. It's elegant but relaxed. The kind of place where you can analyze the wine pairing and still order dessert without guilt. That's balance again. There's intention, but not ego, which is surprisingly rare.
Do you need anything else?
Good, thank you.
Okay. Oh gosh. Oh, why don't I use the whipped potatoes? Okay, okay. I'll send it.
Mine? What I appreciate most is the in between spaces: the lounges, the quiet corners, the fireplaces that feel domestic rather than grand. And you can find it in all corners. Luxury today isn't excess, it's comfort without friction. At the heart of Mirbeau is its spa, not as an amenity, but as an architectural thesis. It's a haven designed for
I don't know
restoration,
where she went.
yes, but more importantly,
Oh,
it's
okay.
designed
Yeah,
for
it's this
rhythm.
way. All right. See you. Thank you.
There's something almost monastic about the material palette: natural stones, softened light, muted surfaces that absorb sound rather than reflect it. And that matters because restoration begins visually before it
Go
begins
that way.
physically. The choreography is subtle but intentional: immerse, pause, shift, rest, hot, cold, stillness. The spaces between the experiences are just as considered as the experiences themselves. Lounges wrapped in quiet upholstery, fireplaces anchoring the perimeter, robes moving softly across stone floors. Nothing feels rushed. Nothing feels performative. You're not being entertained, you are being recalibrated. And in a culture that equates luxury with excess, Mirbeau does something far more refined. It reduces friction. No flashing lights, no dramatic acoustics, just proportion, temperature, and time working together. It's indulgent, yes, but structured. Even relaxation here feels composed.
Anything will go on the mantle, but I'm gonna run over a few questions and then I'll step out and let you get comfortable with that.
Sure.
Any known allergies or medical concerns I should be aware? No. Once I step out, I'll have you hang up your robe just on the door of the wall. You may need the chest, shoulder, ear, and neck area available. We always include it, and we do a hand and arm massage at the end as well. So if you want anything extra off, if you want to tuck straps, then you can, but you can place things to right on the mantle or tray. And you'll just get right under the blanket on your back, head up to the towel facing me. That heat should be on still, it's on a timer. And then we can make adjustments to the height levels or the bed as well, whatever's comfortable.
Sure.
And then I have you scheduled for a European custom facial tonight.
Yes.
All right. I'll go over a little more when I get a close look at your skin.
Sure.
Any questions right now?
Okay.
And that's the distinction. This isn't about escaping your life, it's about returning to it with less noise. The building doesn't fight the landscape, it collaborates with it. And that's always my first test of architecture. We are definitely coming back when it's summertime. There are destinations designed to impress you, and then there are places designed to exhale with you. Mirbeau falls into the second category. It doesn't announce itself loudly. No grand theatrical arrival, no dramatic fountain choreography. just proportion, symmetry, stillness, which frankly is far more interesting. It feels less like checking into a hotel and more like being quietly admitted into a private estate. Not theme park Paris, actual restraint. And that difference matters. Mirbeau isn't about spectacle, it's about softness, about stepping away without traveling across an ocean. And maybe that's the real luxury, not escape, but pause. If you appreciate spaces designed with restraint, I'll be exploring more hotels through a design lens soon. I hope you like this video and it challenges you to try Mirbeau Spa in Plymouth, Massachusetts. My name is Ses. Remember, style is what you make or break. Love and light to all. Until the next one, bye.